Hey guys, okay, I have a couple new students to my online geometry class, so I'm sending you this video to watch to show you how this class is set up. So in Schoology, you should have this course in there in one of your tiles. It has the blue background, it says geometry. So the first thing that you'll see is these little buttons is what I call them. The first button here is the email address, so it just is a link to what my email address is, so you can copy and paste that into your Gmail. The next one, if I click on that, that's the Google Meet button. So that just tells you when I have Google Meet. So these are for question and answer sessions. They are every Tuesday and Friday from 10:30 to 11. You go to meet.google.com, type in geometry help, and then I will be there for assistance in answering any questions. Desmos Graphing Calculator app, those are both just websites and apps that you guys can have. That Desmos is for graphing, and so is the Graphing Calculator app, but it also, you can use that as a calculator. If you click on this, it's for a one-on-one conference, so it'll bring up this form that you have to fill out. Now, this is if you have questions, but what I would want for you to do is first go to the question and answer sessions that I have Tuesdays and Fridays, and then if you need additional help, then I can meet with you at this one-on-one time. Khan Academy, just additional videos and help and questions if you need those. Online book. So then we have the buttons or links to the folders. So, and you can also scroll down. So this is a good video for you to watch, just as it kind of gives you some information that I'm giving you now and just some other things. So we've already done Unit 4 and we've already done Unit 5. Hopefully you guys are pretty close to where I am. We are in Unit 6 right now, similarity. So click on that. The first two things that you'll see in this folder are the notes packet and then the supplementary sheets packet. So we will use both of these, so you will need to print these off. If you are ever not able to print off notes or the supplementary packets for the units, you need to email me, and then I will leave a copy of those up at our front desk at Lee Summit West, and you can come pick those up, okay? Right now we are in week 6, so February 24th through March 3rd. I release folders every Wednesday at noon-ish. So I will release a folder on Wednesday. It'll have all the work for the rest of the week that you need to complete. You can complete it on your own time. Do not, though, open that folder up on like Monday to complete it Monday and Tuesday, because that won't give you enough time to ask questions. It also just doesn't give you enough time to process the information. You need to do about 40 minutes per day, 45 minutes per day of math, and then that'll get you through your week. So you can start on Wednesday, go Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, have it all turned in Tuesday evening, so that Wednesday, whenever I release the next folder, you're good to go. Tests and quizzes will happen on Wednesdays 99% of the time. I'll open a test or quiz at 8 a.m. It closes at 8 p.m. You need to make sure that you take it during that time period. You need to make sure that once you open it, you sit down and you take that test or that quiz and do nothing else. It will turn in after a certain number of minutes. So don't navigate away. Don't email me saying, oh, I had to go do this in between, so it just turned itself in. You'll get the grade that you get on it. So once you're ready to take the quiz, open it, sit down, take it. Do not use any outside resources. Only use your quiz, your pencil, and calculator and piece of paper. So what I want for you to do is I actually want for you to go back and do the beginning of Unit 6, okay? So I need for you to, in order to catch up, you're not going to do anything in Unit 4, you're not going to do anything in Unit 5 that we've done this semester, but you are going to do Unit 6. So click on Week 5 folder. At the beginning of every weekly folder, I put a what to do this week. I recommend that you print this off, and then you can cross off stuff that you have done as you go through it. It'll tell you everything you need to do that week. I record my own notes, so there will be a video of me with the notes for every single section. So here, 6.1 notes, this paper is in the notes packet, so you'll fill it out as I fill it out in my video. So you'll watch those notes, and then you'll do the 2 assignments in this case that come after it. And then you will watch the next set of notes and do the homework assignment that comes after it. So you'll need to do that. You will also need to do Week 6 folder. Again, print off what to do this week, watch the video notes, take those notes, do the assignments after it, watch the next set of video notes, do the assignments after. There is actually a quiz this coming Wednesday, March 3rd, over section 6.1 to 6.3. And then also this Wednesday, I will release the next week's folder. So what I would want for you guys to do is I would want for you to do week 5, week 6, and this coming week 7 folder, which will be March 3rd through March 10th. All 3 of those folders I'd like for you to try to finish by March 10th, okay? And then you'll be up to date with the rest of the class. That may be a little bit more work than what you're used to, and I apologize. It's just because of that transition into online from in person. We got to get you caught up, okay? So you need to do week 5, week 6, and week 7, which I will open up on Wednesday. So right now you can start on week 5, get as far as you can on that, then week 6, and then week 7. Go in order, okay? Updates. Wednesdays, I will have an update in here. I think that should be sent to your email. Hopefully you have that notification. I do send emails weekly on Wednesdays at least. Sometimes I would send more than just one a week, so look for my emails. There's important information in them. Gradebook. So you can always see what you have done and what you need to do in Schoology because it'll list all of your assignments and your score on that. So if you don't have a score on something, then you know you haven't done it. I transfer grades Wednesdays into PowerSchool. So all assignments from the weekly folder are always due by noon on Wednesday, if not earlier. So look at the due dates. I then transfer those grades over like at 12:30, 1 o'clock, sometime in the afternoon on Wednesday. So if you have late work and you don't do some of the work from the previous week, it's not going to get transferred until the following Wednesday. So that's really important that you guys stay on top of your work and turn it in when it's due, or else it won't be seen in PowerSchool until the following Wednesday. I accept late work for the unit we are in. So like, let's say we finish Unit 6 next Wednesday. I will accept late work for anything in Unit 6 until we take that test on Wednesday. Then past Wednesday, I'm not going to accept anything from Unit 6 past that day. So late work for the unit we're in, nothing prior to that will be transferred. So please make sure that you're staying on top of things. Please make sure you're going to those question and answer sessions when you have questions. Please make sure that you're doing the work yourself and nobody else is doing it. I think that is all for the most part. Email me when you have questions or get onto the Google Meets, okay? Let me know through email if you do have any questions and I can help you through that. All right, thanks guys.